Hello, Colorado. This is Cleet Crocker, your home appliance guy, coming to you again from Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. So, what do we have for you today? This is really cool. Imagine this: you got family coming. They're all coming in. You know they're going to be here for Thanksgiving. They look into your old refrigerator doesn't look this good. Your old range doesn't look this good. Maybe over here. Oh, here's a nice GE. Yep. Still looks better than yours. I mean, I'm telling you, you don't want them to come with that kitchen. It's time to upgrade. It's time to get things cleaned up. But the problem you have is that nobody's going to have this stuff on sale until, let's see, it should be November the 6th. That's when all the Black Friday promotions start for, I think, everybody. But what you need to know is that we found something really terrific, some great news. If you go to Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom right now, all the sales associates have a list. They have a list of what all the Black Friday pricings are going to be, and they can give it to you today. This is October, folks. You can get next month's big Black Friday sales in today.